Basically, I think Langkawi is a great island. It's my first time here. I think all in all, Langkawi has been one of the place that is located in Malaysia. There is no such special characteristics to the food itself, but I would say that all in all, Malaysian food, wherever you are at, basically is all the same, and it's special. But when I came here to Langkawi, one food that basically attract me, that I think it has been served all around Langkawi and also around Malaysia, is nasi lemak. My name is Kelvin. I'm the executive chef for Park Royal Langkawi. Well, it has been a good 11 months since I joined Park Royal Langkawi. So here I am managing a team of 60 people. Basically, it's a new resort in Langkawi, and I hope that I can share my experience and also serve some good food and share with the people in Langkawi. I think a food that you have to try, it's basically the breakfast menu, which is includes a few selections of Asian food, which is nasi lemak. Since I basically know that nasi lemak is one of the food that basically serve all around Langkawi, I will want to basically make this as a signature dish for Park Royal Langkawi. And I will make sure that this will be one of the dish that is going to be talked about in the whole Langkawi for time to come. The guest experience that I think Park Royal wants to provide to all these people is a different kind of various cuisine. In terms of the cuisine that we are actually offering, we have all-day dining, which is pretty much the Asian selections and local palate kind of food. And we also have Langkawa. Langkawa is basically an oceanic concept where it's going to be somehow more modern, fine cuisine that we are going to be serving there. But of course, not forgetting, we also have Ocean View Lounge, which is basically like a bar that is also serving some food and also afternoon tea. Where I think, in a support with Nayati equipment, it will be very great to actually support in terms of what we can be preparing in terms of food and all. But of course, this is the first time I'm actually using the equipment by Nayati. I hope that I will have a good experience with the brand. And of course, at the moment, after 11 months, I think he has never disappointed me yet. How do I feel about this Nayati kitchen equipment? I would say so far so good. I have no issues in terms of other brands that in other hotels that I've been working with. Very professional equipment, easy to use, very straightforward. But other than that, I would say that in terms of design, maybe looking forward to more modern look. But so far, I would say that it's been very pleased. Thank you very much, Nayati Equipment, for providing the equipment for Park Royal Langkawi. So as a support brand to actually make us in the kitchen to have equipment that is easy to use and to provide a professional service to us.